What's in it for our state, and where do our members of Congress stand before this historic vote? Team 12's Bram Resnick is verifying it for us tonight. Bram?
Yeah, Mark, there is a lot at stake here in Arizona. The American Health Care Act supporters want to get government out of the health insurance business. You do that, and hundreds of thousands of Arizonans could lose their health insurance, and the state economy could suffer a multi-billion-dollar hit. Our congressional delegation and our governor are split on this bill. President Donald Trump predicting victory.
And I think we're going to get a winner vote. We're going to have a real winner.
But the outcome is still unclear for Thursday's scheduled House vote to repeal and replace Obamacare. One key player not on board: Republican Governor Doug Ducey. The governor doesn't have a vote, but he'd be the one back home dealing with any fallout for 600,000 Arizonans.
I don't think it's close to where it needs to be.
The governor's own forecasters say up to 383,000 low-income Arizonans would lose Medicaid coverage within 5 years, and $2.5 billion in health care spending would vanish unless Ducey spent hundreds of millions of dollars to prop up health insurance for the needy.
We simply can't transition people off of Medicaid if there's no insurance provider available.
Cancer survivor Tony Bannister and 200,000 other Arizonans would have to scramble for health insurance if the Affordable Care Act exchanges are scrapped.
I would be back in, I guess, in unknown land, okay?
Less than 24 hours before the scheduled House vote, here's where Arizona's delegation stands. On the Republican side, David Schweikert and Martha McSally are yes votes on repeal and replace. Paul Gosar, Andy Biggs, and Trent Franks are either leaning no or non-committal. They're concerned the bill doesn't go far enough in repealing Obamacare. Democrats Kirsten Sinema, Ruben Gallego, Raul Grijalva, and Tom O'Halloran are all no votes. If the House does approve the repeal and replacement, the bill would go to the Senate, where changes are expected. That's where Governor Ducey expects to see the improvements he wants. Arizona Senators John McCain and Jeff Flake say they are still studying the House legislation. Bram Resnick, 12 News.